Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Balaji Chandrasekharan. Now I will be discussing some of the useful intermediate operations of the Java streams. In Java streams, intermediate operations are operations that transform or manipulate the elements of a stream and return a new stream as a result. These operations are usually chained together to form a pipeline of operations. Intermediate operations are lazy, meaning they do not perform any processing until a terminal operation is invoked on the stream. The number of intermediate operations required in a stream depends entirely on the specific processing requirements and transformations you need to perform on the data within the stream. There is no fixed or predefined number of intermediate operations in a stream. In general, you can have 0 or more intermediate operations in a stream pipeline. These intermediate operations are used to transform, filter, or manipulate the elements of the stream before applying terminal operations to produce a result. Here are some of the common intermediate operations. The distinct method in the stream class returns a stream consisting of the distinct elements. That is, it removes the duplicate elements of the stream. It checks the uniqueness by using the object.equals method. The filter method filters the elements of the stream based on a predicate and returns a new stream containing only the elements that matches the predicate. The provided code creates a predicate instance called male gender predicate that checks whether an employee is a male or not. Then it filters a stream of employees based on that predicate. So EMP stream will contain only those employee objects whose gender is male as determined by the male gender predicate. The map method applies a function to each element of the stream and returns a new stream with the results. The mapToDouble, mapToInt, and mapToLong methods are also available as like map to return double stream, in stream, and long stream respectively. The provided code demonstrates different ways to transform a stream of employees objects into specialized streams such as stream of string, double stream, in stream, and long stream by mapping specific attributes of the employee class. The first line of the code uses the map operation and maps each employee object to its department using the getDepartment method and creates a stream of department names. The second line of code snippet uses the mapToDouble operation and maps each employee object to its salary using the getSalary method and creates a specialized stream of double values. The next line code snippet uses the mapToInt operation and maps each employee object to its age using the getEmployeeAge method and creates a specialized stream of integer values. The final line code snippet uses the mapToLong operation and maps each employee object to its ID using the getEmployeeID method and created a specialized stream of long values. The flatMap method maps each element of the stream of stream elements, then flattens the resulting streams into a single stream. The flatMapToDouble, flatMapToInt, and flatMapToLong methods are also available as like flatMap to return double stream, in stream, and long stream respectively. In each example, the flatMap method is used to flatten the nested arrays and lists into a single stream of elements. Depending on the type of the elements of the nested arrays or lists, you can use flatMapToDouble, flatMapToInt, or flatMapToLong to obtain the specialized streams. The sorter method with no input parameters sorts the elements of the stream in their natural order. The line employee list dot stream dot sorted created a stream of elements from the employee list collection and then sorts them using their natural order. The sorted method with a comparator argument returns a stream consisting of the elements of the stream sorting according to the provided comparator. To sort the list of employees other than the natural order, you need to provide a comparator to the sorted method. In this example, the comparator dot compared int of employee get joining year creates a comparator that compares employees based on the joining year. The sorted method sorts the stream of employees according to their defined comparator. The skip method returns a stream consisting of the remaining elements of the stream after discarding the first n elements of the stream. If the stream contains fewer than n elements, then an empty stream will be returned. In this example, I used the skip 5 method for a stream instance, which skips the first 5 elements of the stream. The limit method truncates or limits the size of the stream to the specified maximum number of elements. The operation makes sure the returned stream contains no more than a specified number of elements. In this example, I used the limit with 5 as an argument for a stream instance, which limits a stream to contain only the first 5 elements. The peak method performs a consumer action on each element of the stream without modifying the elements, and it is useful for debugging or logging. In the given example, I use the peak method for a stream instance which prints each element of the stream to the console. Note that system.out::println is a method reference to the println method of the system.out object. These intermediate operations are combined to form a stream pipeline that transforms the original stream according to the specified operations. In my upcoming sessions, I will cover the stream terminal operations, collectors, and some usage of streams. Thank you for tuning into my video.